teacher at Tawnytown Elementary School. In first grade, we work on adding and subtracting two-digit numbers. A strategy that we use in class is called an open number line. The open number line helps them practice skills that we've been working on all year. So let me show you how we would do adding using the open number line. So our problem is 42 plus 50. So we'd start off just drawing the line, and an open number line just doesn't have any numbers. It's blank. And we're going to start with the number 42 because in first grade we work on mentally adding 10 more. So our open number line helps them practice that skill. So we're going to start with 42. And the children know that, okay, well, I'm going to add 5 tens because 5 tens is 50. And when I show that on here, I'm going to say, okay, well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That shows that I added 5 tens. So at the top, I'm going to write, okay, well, I'm adding 10 each time. Then what I do is it kind of becomes like a mini problem within a problem. So I have 42 plus 10 becomes 52. 52 plus 10, 62. 62 plus 10 is 72. 72 plus 10 is 82. And then 82 plus 10 more is 92. So you're able to see that the problems, I broke this 50 into smaller parts so I could add it easier. So then my answer is 92. Oh, another way that what they think about when they think about the open number line is they do it mentally in their head, which is really, really interesting. So this is just a way for them to show what they were thinking. So they may say in their head, well, okay, if I start with 42 and I'm going to add 5 more tens, so I'm just going to put up this showing the 5 tens. So 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. So in their head, they're able to add this mentally. This is just a way for them to show, oh, this was what I thought about in my head. So we can also use open number lines to subtract. So 98 minus 60. So again, we're going to start with that plain line, the plain number line, okay? And we're going to start at 98. Well, over here, when we added, we started from the left and went to the right because we were adding. But now we're going to start on the other side and go backwards because we're subtracting. So we have 98, and I realized I might not have made my line long enough. So make it a little bit longer. So I started at 98, and again, so now I'm taking away 6 tens. So I'm going to say, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good thing I made it a little longer. So I'm going to take away 10 each time. So then I know, let's just double check, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So my answer is going to end up here once I have taken away 60. So again, there's those mini problems within the big problem. So 98 minus 10, 88. 88 minus 10 is 78. 78 minus 10 is 68. 68 minus 10 is 58. 58 minus 10 is 48. And then 48 minus 10 is 38. So my difference is going to be 38. So you can see how we use an open number line to help us solve addition and subtraction problems. Looks a little different, but it's a strategy that we use in first grade. I hope that this video will help you understand how open number lines work.